Astles, gweld y peryg, ac yna i glirio. Ffindio Brobl, mae'n chydig o le. Clark tu mewn. Allan. At Redmond. At y postyn pella. A dyna chi gol gan Seintiau Newydd. Ryan Brobl. Croesiad hyfryd gan Daniel Redmond. A Ryan Brobl. Mae'r peniad o 6 lladd heibio i Gadja yn y gol. Brobl a dennill y meddiant gan Ciaran Lewis. Darganfod Declan McManus, a mae Declan McManus wedi rhwydo ei 10fad gol o'r tymor. Gwaith da eto gan Ryan Brobl, darganfod Declan McManus efo'r bas, a di McManus ddim yn mynd i wastraffu cyfle fel 'a. Harrison, bel dda, allan at Davies. Patton yna flaen, Robles. O, camgymeriad gan Gadja yn y gol, a McManus yn derbyn y gwahoddiad. Wojciech Gadja, pas llac ofnadwy, Declan McManus yna, ac gweithio am drechion Gadja yn y gol. Mae'n 2-0 i'r Seintiau Newydd. Marriott, bel i mewn i'r canol. Disgyn i Redmond. Dyna chi gol gan Daniel Redmond. Bel i mewn gan Marriott. Disgyn i Redmond ar ochr y cwrt. Ac ergyn Redmond i gornol isa'r hwyd. Dim gobaith i Gadja yn y gol tro yma. Chydig y le allan ar y chwith i Marriott. Redmond. McManus, chwilio McManus. McManus ar ei droed i gornal isa'r hwyd. A mae Declan McManus wedi sgorio hat-trick. Gwaith da gan Redmond i ffeindio'r ymysodwr. McManus ddim yn cansefyll. Ac yn sgorio i 10fed gol o'r tymor. Brobl, gwaith da gan Brobl. Cadw'r bel yn fyw. Marriott. Williams ar ei droed chwith. Ergydd hyfryd gan Williams taro'r postyn. Gwaith da gan Jordan Williams ei ennill y bel yn ôl. Ergydd efo'r gwynt, taro gwylod y postyn. Cisse, ennill y meddiant. Marriott. Chwilio am Ebe. Bel y disgyn i Ebe. Ebe ar ei droed Dyn Ebe. Efo amser i ffeindio gornal isa'r hwyd. Bel hir gan Marriott. Ac Ebe yn sgorio 6 gol. Seintiau Newydd o'r pnawn.
6-0 win. Must be extremely pleased with that.
Yeah, not just with the scoreline, but with the performance. We highlighted a lot of threats of the opposition. I think they're a good team and they've improved from last year, so we knew that they had certain areas where the threats with Cisse, with Fawcett, with Wilson, and they can really hurt you on the counter-attack. So we did a lot of work in the week there to defend properly as a team and thought defensively we were very good, and that gave us a platform to create and score the goals that we did. So yeah, all in a good day and a well-worked day where we deserved the win.
A disappointing afternoon for you today, Wayne. Can you sum up your feelings for us?
It's quite difficult, but you know, obviously beaten by a class outfit. I think we were guilty, certainly 3 out of the 6 goals, self-inflicted in losing possession. If we looked after the ball a lot better, you know, maybe that doesn't happen, but they keep going and going. You know, we sustained 2 injuries then again today, which is disappointing, and then, you know, we're dependent on our youth players that come in, and when you're playing most probably the best team in the league is a big ask, but look, we keep going, we prepare well now again, try and rest up the best we can for Tuesday night, which is a must-win game at home to Barry for us.
Well, Declan, 2 goals last week, hat-trick today, confidence must be high.
Yeah, it's obviously big thing for a striker is hitting the back of the net, and it's the best feeling in the world. It's to be fair, it's what we get paid to do, so I'm glad that I'm managing to do that on a consistent basis, which is a big thing for me. And yeah, it's, as I said, it's the best feeling you can have.